What's the meaning of conservancy? Conservancy. Conservancy.
Conservancy. Conservancy. Conservancy refers to the act of protecting and preserving natural resources like land, water, and wildlife. The goal of conservancy is to ensure that these resources remain intact for future generations to enjoy and benefit from. This involves a range of activities, including habitat restoration, pollution remediation, and sustainable resource management. By practicing conservancy, we can help maintain the delicate balance of ecosystems and prevent irreversible damage to the environment. Ultimately, conservancy is crucial for ensuring a sustainable and livable planet both now and in the future.